Hi there, welcome along to another edition of Extra Time Unlocked right here on Gagasi FM. Igamo Ayanda Newswa. And alongside me today is Simto Dladla Agrippa. It is, of course, the international break. Siyazi ukuthi Bola has broken away from the club football. Sifokasa manje kuma international games. And, of course, Bafana Bafana is also involved in that mix. FIFA World Cup qualifiers are coming up. Zdalane Lesotho on Friday, and then next week, Tuesday, we're traveling away to Cote d'Ivoire to face Benin in the second qualifier. Simto, first of all, my brother, you good?
Ngiyaphila mapholo bunjani wena?
No, mfethu ngishaphi kakhulu. Yazi ke mina ukuthi mase kufika isikhathi sokuthi kudlala iBafana Bafana.
Yeah.
Igazi liyashisa. Ngoba
So,
phela iqembu lethu leli ngeke silahle. Siyathanda nje wathiwa kanjani?
bathi awukho umgqomo kulahla umuntu.
Especially a whole national team.
A national team.
So asingene kuyo mfethu, obviously first game against Lesotho that's coming up on Friday at Peter Mokaba Stadium. Just let's look at the squad first. Askhetho coach Hugo Broos. Ngiyazi ukuthi sekhona ama changes enziwe here and there, but what did you make of the overall squad initially? Let's asibizile.
Mapholo, I think siqale ngoku acknowledge ucoach and nomsebenzi omuhle asewenzile kwi-national team. We can all agree ukuthi when he took over as the national team coach uHugo Broos, abantu abaningi they were skeptical ngomsebenzi wakhe and also nokuthi uzokwazi qualify for AFCON and also qualifying for a World Cup. But looking at i-performance team since he took over, sekushintshe kakhulu nathi as ama-supporters sesinako ukulithemba iqembu le-national team which is iBafana Bafana. And in Akona, I strongly believe ukuthi even nama-players that are not selected being part of i-team sebeyafisa manje ukuthi babe part yeBafana Bafana squad. If you look at the squad as selectile kwayena ucoach, it's ama-players based Premier League amaningi adlalayo. Look at the performance at Sundowns in the past few years. That's why you see ukuthi almost 7 or 8 players babuya kwiMamelodi Sundowns. If I'm not mistaken, 5 or 6 for me Orlando Pirates. Logo should tell you ukuthi the selection yakhe ubheke based kuma players akwazile ukwenza kahle kuma teams abo that can contribute as well kwi-national team. I strongly believe ukuthi the selection coach I selected for 2 games uzobona ukuthi he's gunning for points and wins, nothing else.
You mentioned labadlali laba baphumile. Obviously, Aubrey Modiba had to go because of the birth of his child.
Yeah.
Maswanganye got injured even before he came to Sundowns.
Yeah.
2 very key players kwiqembu leBafana Bafana, looking at especially recently with Utito scoring those goals in the AFCON qualifiers. Modiba has been a mainstay kwiqembu leBafana Bafana. Is this going to have sort of like an impact in terms of how iBafana Bafana play in this match, or do you believe ukuthi njengoba kubizwa uMaphangule kwabizwa nolokuza noLetlapa, that's going to be enough cover?
I think we in each position iBafana Bafana manje if ubheka apart from i-defense yethu ungaselecta 3 or 4 players. With these players coming in, playing for a national team, as I said, ukuthi it gives you a confidence going back to i-team yakho. La i-chance oyitholayo kumele usebenzise. Remember, still have ama-players afana nomshishi ngaphandle that are not selected abakwazile ukuthi babe solid for i-national team okuyiBafana Bafana. I think ucoach now is trying to check in all positions ukuthi if we decide namhlanje ukuthi siyahamba siya kwi-African Cup of Nations kunamanye ama-qualifiers for i-World Cup makulimala usibanibani sinayo yini cover. So I think this is an opportunity for these players ukuthi basimenteke indawo yabo kule team ukuze bangaphinde baphume.
Before sivalele ndaba le squad because I want us to go to lama game lawazayo.
Yeah.
We have to tackle the issue of the Kaizer Chiefs because it's always a talking point that gets people about to talking. There's not a single Kaizer Chiefs player in the squad, and coach Hugo Broos said something that upset some fans of Chiefs amaningi. We know ukuthi they're quite a sensitive bunch, if I do say so myself.
Yeah.
Ukuthi he basically didn't select abadlali beChiefs mostly because of how the team is playing right now. Siyazi ukuthi uDotley is a regular kwiBafana, but he's injured right now.
Yeah.
A player like Thabo Cele is on form for Kaizer Chiefs since he arrived here. What do you make of comments of Hugo Broos and not selecting abadlali beChiefs based on the team's performance, given the fact that bakhona abadlali kwiBafana Bafana who play for ama teams who are not doing well.
Yeah.
Ricardo Goss and Sydney Mobi play for Super Sports,
Yeah.
and they're in the relegation zone. So where do you stand on the issue of abadlali be-Chiefs and them not being selected because of how the team is playing?
We complained ngoHugo Bruce select uAndile Jali. We complained ngoHugo Bruce select umshishi. We complained ngamanye ama players angawaselectanga. Ucoach uthe mayeshiya ama players eKaizer Chiefs ngaphandle. Uthe they are still struggling ukuthola i-rhythm and also ukuthola ama results kwi-premiership. Akashongo ukuthi uselivalile igate. We've complained with many players ukuthi abaselectiwe. I understand ama supporters eChiefs right now, but I feel I concur naye ucoach ukuthi asibanikeni isikhathi for them to do well kwi-team yabo and gain that confidence. I strongly believe ukuthi by the time sifika kwi-African Cup of Nations, sifika kwi-World Cup, some of our players amaningi sobe swathatha khona kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. You can't shy away ukuthi abafana nomfundo Vilakazi as much as esemncane njengoba esemncane, but he contributed a lot with positivity eKaizer Chiefs, and I feel ukuthi those players bangakwazi ukuthi basupporte orile mase bebizwa kwi-national team. Sisaya kwi-World Cup asingajaki, sisaya kwi-African Cup of Nations. I'm 100% sure ukuthi 4 or 5 players eKaizer Chiefs Dodli, Cele, Vilakazi will be part of iBafana Bafana going to the African Cup of Nations or a World Cup.
Ew, amaphaphu phansi makhosi.
Amakhosi awehle.
Sekusuka omkhulu umsini. But let's look at now obviously lama game that are coming up Simto playing Lesotho as well as Benin away from home. So Benin, before we get to Lesotho, Benin we are currently level with 7 points nabo. Rwanda is top of the group. Keeping in mind the good Sigma World Cup qualifiers, it's the top team that makes it through to the World Cup. So Coach Hugo Bruce spoke about the importance of getting 6 points in Glama game. We've already beaten Benin in our home games here away manje. Do you also concur with him, Uguti, 6 points or nothing, or at least do you feel Uguti we can afford to drop points? Ngoba sazodlala futhi neZimbabwe, we're still going to play Nigeria again. So where do you stand in terms of Lama game lao 2 and what we need to do?
Angazi noma mina yini. But ucoach has created this confidence engayazi ukuthi sagcina nini ukuba nayo kwi-national team.
Yeah.
He had made it clear ukuthi kuyena uma eya kwi-game he's gunning for 3 points. And we've seen in the past mayethi kuthina if engakwazi ukuqualify for African Cup of Nations ucela nemdedela hambe. If engakwazi ukuqualify for i-World Cup uzocela ukuthi nimdedele. He did qualify for African Cup of Nations. And le confidence yona emsebenzisayo. Abantu abaningi bayabona ngathi arrogant mayenza ama statements akhe. And we heading to a game, ama games awu2 abalekile. Uthe kuyena uthe mayesho wathi kuyena 6 points is more important than anything else. So beating iBenin and doing well against Lesotho, iLesotho ine knowledge enkulu yama players ase South Africa.
Sure.
And iLesotho ngendlela edlala ngayo, he likes to control the game, bagcina ibhola. So already he knows ukuthi yini ezokwazi ukumsiza against Lesotho, against iBenin. Looking at iBafana Bafana ngendlela eperforma ngayo kuma competitions afana no African Cup of Nations. Last year, last African Cup of Nations, we were all surprised ukuthi iBafana ingabuya nebronze. Yini ke ngasivimba manje to even reach the final and even doing well kwi Soccer World Cup. So lama games awu2 siyakubona with an idea of looking at your squad ahead of the African Cup of Nations, and also the players that you brought in bazokwazi adapta kwi-style seBafana Bafana before African Cup of Nations, before i-World Cup. Ayikapheli le road lethu i-World Cup. As you said, sazodlala nama-team afana no Nigeria. So this is a time where ucoach athi khona, let me check lama players are available yini without ukuthi lose ama game. Bagcina nini qualify ukuziqualify. I think it was 2002.
2002, yeah.
2002 mase qualify lathini.
Yeah.
2010 sangena ngoba sasama host. It's been almost over 20 years. So I think this is a time where we need to rally behind iBafana Bafana and show confidence kuyena ucoach ukuthi we trust you, we trust the boys, and let's win these 2 games nakanjani. nakanjani by the time sifika ko Nigeria for ama qualifiers
Yeah.
kobe sekulula collecting ama points kusemanje.
Aye, 6 points or nothing for iBafana Bafana. Khumbula ukuthi in the African qualifiers for the World Cup, there are 9 groups.
Yep.
9 teams are going to the World Cup. 9 African teams are going to be playing in next year's World Cup. So kumele uqede at the top of the group to ensure ukuthi you qualify for the FIFA World Cup. And as Simto said, we haven't qualified since 2002. You know, and our last appearance at the World Cup was in 2010. Obviously, see hoster like Kai. So kubalulekile ukuthi swawine lama game. Lesotho is coming up on Friday, Peter Mokaba Stadium, and Benin with Slala Nayo next week, Tuesday. That's going to be happening in Cote d'Ivoire. Agrippa,
Bab.
thank you so much for your time, Bafo.
I'm just hoping this time around sonke. This is a collective effort. Akusiyi team kuphela no Hugo Bros, but a collective nathi as ama supporters to rally behind the national team of Bafana Bafana.
Aye, Mfowethu. I know that the rallying call is out.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Bafo. It's a wrap of Extra Time Unlocked for this week. Catch Extra Time, the real show, on Friday with Mike Makab, no Simto Dladla. But for Extra Time Unlocked, we're going to check you out again next week.